Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Shork. I am making a short little video on how to get started on your Noteflight project so that you can put the music symbols that we talked about in class into your music. You know how to get into Noteflight, and so you need to do a new score. Remember, there's a plus sign up there in the corner. Before you get started, you need to go over here to the menu box with the three little lines in it. Make sure that your menu box looks like mine. I have a check mark next to score. I have a check mark next to edit. I have a check mark next to duration, all the way down to check mark next to measure, and then check mark next to repeat. That's really all we need right now. So if I click on that box again, that menu will go away. The first thing we need to do is get rid of this bottom line of music. We don't really need it right now. It might make things confusing for us. Put your pointer in the first measure, double click, a fast double click, so that everything in this whole bottom line is colored like an orange, kind of an orange pink color. And then all you have to do is go to your backspace, and you hit backspace and it's gone. So you can start filling up your measures with notes if you want to. Remember, you have to pick a line or a space first, and then you have to change it to a ta or a tt, and you're going to do that up here with duration. So I'm just going to leave them as tas for now, and I'm going to put some things in here. Do, mi, so, mi, do, 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 re, mi, re, do, do, do. Now, that is a terribly exciting piece of music. It's just a masterpiece, not really. And so now we're going to add some of our music symbols in there. The first thing that we're going to do is our first and second ending. If you'll go up here to the repeat part right there, remember? And here's the first ending, and there's the second ending. So I'm going to decide that I need to have a repeat sign right here. So right there's the picture of my repeat, and then here I can do my first ending. Okay, remember, if you have a first ending, right after it you have to have your second ending, and there it is. That's how you do first and second ending.